In this video, we'll show you how to read the inspection that's been completed using our virtual inspection using artificial intelligence damage analysis. As mentioned in the previous video, you're able to freely go throughout the app while the analysis is taking place. A pop-up appears like you see on the main screen, letting you know that the inspection has been completed. You can then click the View button to see the analysis. So let's click View. In doing so, you'll see that the work order number is located at the top. You'll also see the damage analysis total cost, in this case $1,437.50. You can then scroll through the individual photos to see the actual damage analysis that's taken place on all the individual photos that you did when you're taking photos via the wizard. In this case, for example, let's take a look at the hood. Looking at the hood, you can click on the photo and then zoom in to see all the individual places that's marked up by our artificial intelligence. You can zoom in, zoom out, and always click the close button, and then as well as toggle through different pictures to see where the damage is located. Hitting the back button located at the top will then bring you back to the home screen. Of course, you can always get back to your work orders to review the analysis. Clicking on work orders from the home screen, you can then click All. Selecting All, you'll notice that we uploaded for a 2022 Ford F-250, and again, my total was $1,437.50. Clicking on that individual tile will then bring me into the work order details screen. As you can see, there is a green message that says this vehicle scan is completed. Please press the scan button to navigate to the scan report. Of course, clicking scan there again brings you right back to view all the individual analysis of the individual pictures and parts of the vehicle.